everyone, Sophie here from Sophie Stitches, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Rozeta crochet along kit from Scheepjes. I apologise to the Dutch community for my pronunciation because it is almost definitely wrong. I have chosen the colour crafter version of the kit. This is in the Twilight colourway. This one is at $29.99 and I got it from Wool Warehouse. You can also get a more luxury kit that's in the Our Tribe yarn, but that's $89.99 and was a little beyond my budget. Just so you know, this video is not sponsored in any way, so all opinions are my own honest opinions. And so without further ado, let's get stuck in. So I'm really excited for this crochet along. This is the first crochet along I've ever actually taken part in. So in this kit, we have a little letter from the designer. So this is from Tatsiana, who has her own crochet blog, lilaborncrochet.com. So we've got loads of different colours of yarn here, and this is the Colour Crafter yarn. It's so soft. This is a double knit weight yarn. So we've got the blues and the purples. So when Tatsiana designed this, she said she was designing it with a stained glass window in mind. So you can really see like the beautiful colours. And then we've also got this lovely dark blue that's going to go around the outside and be the main colour in our blanket. And then she's also, so they've included as well, this little cute bag here, some embroidery thread for part of the pattern. I'm not actually sure what part that's for, but I guess we'll find out as the weeks go on. And then every kit as well has a little wooden charm, and I think there's 6 different ones, so it will be random as to which one you get. And I quite like this one. It's a little like flower type thing. Oh, and you also, this is quite cool as well. As part of the kit, you get a little label so you can sew this into your blanket at the end, and it just shows that you made it as part of the crochet along and you got the kit. And then there's also a darning needle, which is always handy because you definitely always lose those over time. And loads and loads and loads of wool. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun making this. I really can't wait to get started. So I'm going to be posting updates. So the pattern is going to be published in multiple stages every Wednesday for the next several weeks. And I'm going to be posting my progress with this blanket as I go along with it. So if you want to keep up to date, I'm going to be posting those updates on my Instagram, on my YouTube channel right here, and then I'm also going to be writing some blog posts on my website, sophiestitches.com. So if you like this video and you want to continue to see more, then please do like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.